So these are all my makeup. I actually featured it on my recent Instagram picture. I was tagged by About Face on Instagram. I did the tag, which reminds me I had to do the day 5 today. But anyway, I'm actually going to do my makeup collection video very soon because it has been highly requested, and also my room tour because my room is such a mess and I just can't bear everyone seeing how a messy person I am. But anyway, let's just get ready. So I'm going to begin with sunblock because it's very much important. I have here this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and this is actually the sunblock I use like forever for a daily basis. And I actually use the CC cream as well, but for now I'm gonna use this because I'm saving that one because I have been using that for the month of May. The CC cream, I have been using this for the month of May, and I'm afraid I'll run out. So I still have a lot of this product, so I'll just use this for days that I just need some protection. So for my neck, of course, don't forget your neck. That's what I always forget. Salazek Dermascience Brightening Radiance Body Cream, and this is just a body cream with SPF 15. So this is what I use for my chest area. It just gives radiance to that area, and it also gives an SPF of 15. I just love any lotion that has SPF. That's what I appreciate in a lotion, because I'm not getting any lighter. I'm freaking dark, guys. I hope if you haven't noticed it, but I've darkened so badly. LA Makeup Primer. And this one is one of my fairly new makeup primers. I just got this for I think 129 pesos, which is awesomely a great deal. This has been used by Raids of Raids Zigs. Hi Raids! It has just been recently that we had it in Davao. Finally. Next, I'm getting my foundation. Since I'm a tad bit darker in the summertime, I'm actually using this Sand Beige for regular days, or Blonde Color Stay in Sand Beige. But I'm a bit darker, so I'm going to mix it up with this True Beige. I'm gonna mix this too. So I'm just gonna blend these two together. To blend this out, I'm going to use my Key Cosmetics flat kabuki brush and to buff this in. This is what I use. This is the Jazzy Collection Eyebrow Gel in the shade of, this is the darkest shade, EBG02, a brow brush, and I'm taking product from here. So I'm done with my look. I just stopped filming while I was getting ready just because my camera is turning really hot and I had mercy on my camera, but I had to stop. So this is just my look of the day. I just did my face makeup, brows, then a little bit of tight lining and blush, and my favorite lip combo as of the moment. It's such a beautiful color, isn't it? I really love it. So I hope I could bring you out today. We're going to a couple of places and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so we're already out of the house. We're now here at my cousin's apartment just to pick out something. I think we're heading to SM Lanang first, and my mom has to get her credit card there kasi naiwan sa SM Appliance, which is crazy. Did not give it back after payment, tapos syempre hindi na napansin ni mama, so we have to go back there to get the credit card. I think we're heading to Comelec after. I will be getting my voter's ID. I hope I can, I'm not really sure. And afterwards we're going to SM Ecoland to get Paolo's driver's license that he renewed last, kailan ba yun? Basta I vlogged, you watched that vlog, if you watched the vlog, huh? May 28. May 28. Yun, nagpunta kami sa SM Ecoland. So we're going back today and I'll catch you guys later. So we're now here at SM Lanang. And I forgot to tell you, it's our last day with Windy. Let's just take this moment to admire Windy, our crosswind. You might be wondering why. It's because we're selling Windy tomorrow. There's already a buyer. Hopefully the deal will push through, but of course we're gonna get something new, so stay tuned. It's sunny here at SM. This is what I wanted to check out here. Their color show line, bagong color show line ng Maybelline. Oh my god, 99 lang ang nail polish. And there's a bunch of colors in here, guys. OMG. It's my lipsticks for 165. Oh my god. Hello. Ayan. May pinkish na. I got a couple of swatches from BT Minerals. Ang gandang blush. Super nice. They actually sell this at K Cosmetics for a lot cheaper. These are really cute. OMG. 169. Mag-focus. This bag looks pretty nice. It's just $5.99. I think this looks pretty nice for baby Annie. It's Dora. Uberly comfy shoes. OMG, I like this top. It could have had a K, letter K. So parang walang reason for me to wear A. But I like the design. I hope merong K, pero wala. Oh, so nice. So I'm here at the comfort room and I'm trying out some stuff. This is my outfit of the day, by the way. And these are what I'm trying to try. I actually showed it to you in the video that I wanted to try this once. And also this, I found this and it's just perfect because if you know me, I love feather and I totally love this. I'm gonna try these on. I expected it to be loose. I don't know, it didn't look as nice as what I thought it would look like. Paula called me and we have to go and I'm in the fitting room, so I will try the last top quickly and I'm ready to go. Apparently the white portion is a little bit sheer and it's relatively short, although I really like the design, but I wanted it to be a little bigger siguro. And the next size is XXL na. This one is large. I think XL would be great on me. So I'm now walking to the car park. I just went to SM department store and that was pretty quick. I'm now in a rush. So we're now on the road and we're heading to Comelec, which is at Magsaysay, because I'm gonna claim my voter's ID. Tapos, the buyer of our car called and apparently he's going to get the car today because they already have the money on hand. So, I just said a while ago that Wendy's going away tomorrow, but apparently she's going away today, later tonight. So we're now entering Magsaysay Park. This is one of the oldest parks here in Davao. Dito lahat ng masa. And we used to... Oh my god, ba't ang daming tao dito ngayon? We used to play there sa skating ring. We used to go here before para mag-eat ng durian. And also the skating rink I showed you earlier. That's where we actually ride bikes and just turn around all over that rink all over and over again. Which is crazy. And I don't know ba't ang daming tao ngayon. So we're going back to the car. I just went there and doon ang what do you call this? Comelec office. And I already got my voter's ID. It's so funny. We're now finished here at the Comelec. So you might be interested of my lipstick of the day. This is actually a lip combo that I discovered last night. I just used the Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick, Megalast lip cover in the shade of 914D, and I just topped it off with the Italia Deluxe lip liner in the shade of Fuchsia, and so I achieved this lip color, and it's so matte, although it really emphasizes the crevices of my lips, but I totally love it. So we're now here at SM City, Davao. We just have to enter at that side. Dun kasi yung papasok sa dulo pa nito. This is the front part of SM City, Davao. So we're now parked here at SM, and OMG, I just can't believe our crosswind is leaving us tonight. I mean, going to be sold to the buyer, turnover na. Our crosswind has been with us for 9 years. 9 years.
And 1 month.
9 years and 1 month. But it's still so pretty. Our baby is still so pretty. May 5. May 5 namin kinuha. 9 years ago. So we're entering SM. Paolo's hungry, so after getting Paolo's license, we're going to eat. Seafood Island, grab a crab. We have Sumo Sam, Bonchon, my love, Peri Peri. But today we're going to eat at Hukad because it's the perfect time. It's 3:56 p.m. Tas I know meron silang promo na 3 to 5 p.m. na 99 set meals. So that would be great. Ayun, kitang-kita. Yay! Sisig akin!
Ano naman si Pepa?
Tawagan na natin siya. It's bottomless rice with a glass of iced tea na. I like sisig. I'm actually doing this makeup hashtag game by About Face, and today is day 5, waterproof makeup collection. So I was gonna post something, but I have to actually go to my makeup collection at home. I hope I will remember later. Chicken, we're already eating. I forgot to show you chorizo, and my order is not here yet, which is sisig. Sisig is here. Oh, wala nga ng itlog. We just finished eating, and I'm gonna take this home for takeout. So I'm going to Smart, and I just finished eating, and parang gradient na yung lips ko kasi na-erase yung inner part. I did not retouch. Off to Sun Shop to pay for the plan or bill. We're here at the kitchenware section. Ooh, may scrub suit pala dito. Let's see. Imbis na kitchenware, napatingin tuloy ako dito. This is not bad. It's only 379 pesos. But I don't need scrub suit right now. I'm just crazy. So, we're looking for tong. Nakakita ka na ng tong, ma? Cosmetics! Doon lang salamin banda. Punta kami sa salamin area. This is a nice brand of glasses. Try tayo. It's super lightweight. Like if you're really a glasses wearer. You know, ito kay super gaan. Cute ma. Ooh, this is nice. Decide. So I decided to get this para may iba naman. Apparently this was on 50% off. So I went to Watson's to get the brush that was on sale, and I just used my points to pay for it from SM Advantage card. Let's shop for veggies. Ito pala, asparagus. Ito may murang asparagus. Wanted to juice these. Di na daw maganda sabi ni mama, so babalik ko. Has anybody tried this? Does it work? Let me know down below. I'm really interested kasi parang I've been reading some stuff about it. But I wanted to try out this one too. This one's fairly new from Bello. It's just 65 grams though. Kojic and Tranexamic. It's just 59. This is 65 grams. Tapos 120 grams. No. 100 grams though. This one smells good. The packaging is cute as well. Hello, paalis na kami SM. Ha? So we're now here at the car, and it's almost goodbye for Windy. I'm so emotional, I'm sorry, but we're finished doing groceries, and I think it's the end of today's vlog. We're leaving SM. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye! So we stopped over here at our friend's store, which is Atim's Diner. Tapos we got a bunch of ice cream. What the hell? Free ice cream. Medyo naulaw ako.